So, hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, this is my third video of improving my English. So, I have improved my English continuously. So, today I have discussing my previous interview. What was the miscommunications with HR? Uh, in the interview, uh, I know the answer what the interview asks to me, but I am not give the properly answer in a proper manner because of due to uh, less confident and uh, why less confident, because I am not giving the answer in English properly, so that's why uh, uh, I have less confident. uh, he asked me uh, about the AI of upcoming generations and upcoming uh, companies. So the question was, he was asking the question. The question was is that uh, does the AI is takes the job in future? So I give the answer yes, AI takes the job in futures, but it is a it is a disadvantage of AI. But the advantage is one more thing also is that AI gives the more and more opportunity and more jobs for the upcoming future generations, because in the IT sector, if you if I not updating myself, updating my skills, so I cannot survive at the same place, because everyone can upgrade yourself day by day. uh, just like uh, today the skills we use, after that after the future, we we will not use the same skills in the future. So we have to upgrade ourselves. So uh, I give the answer like that. So he cross question of my answer. He asks to me. He was asking to me like AI tools is not succeed uh, in the upcoming future. He was asking to me. So and he gave the answer. He also gave the answer. He said AI tools is very costly, and AI tools is very costly. Due to this, the companies are not afford their cost, because the Claude AI, the Cursor AI tools has very costly. So rather than the company use the AI tools, he uh, it it hire the employees on instead of the using the AI tools. So he gave the answer of this questions. So I am saying yes sir, you are right. AI is more AI tools is more costly, but I am after that after my interview was over. So uh, I I come back at my room. So I was thinking uh, I am also learning a machine learning AI tools. So it is a disadvantage for me. I learned AI tools because the Microsoft and Uber companies are not run with the AI tools. Why? Because of costly. So why I am learning the AI tools? Uh, I have to questions myself what I'm uh, what I'm what I have get the but I don't get answers of my questions. So if you know about my answers, so please tell me, does the AI takes the job? Yes, it is correct. But the Microsoft and Uber's companies are not using the AI tools. It is very costly. So it means AI not upgrading in the product based company, and the very large amount and very big companies. If the big companies not using the AI tools, so it means uh, the small companies are not using the AI. So this is a very big challenge, who are using the AI tools, and who are using the who also learns the AI tools and working on AI. So thank you.